What is up, guys? Max here, and welcome back to Filmit.io. Today we're doing a demo of our new plugin called Gravity, a physics engine for After Effects. So let's get started. Now, to download and install Gravity, just make an account on Filmit.io, then download Filmit Studio, our desktop app, and then download Filmit Studio, our desktop manager, and you will be able to download Gravity right here. It'll say install, and while you're at it, you can install and try out any of these other plugins as well. Everything is included as always. Now, to open up Gravity inside of After Effects, all you have to do is go to Window, Extensions, and then find Gravity right here. I'm using the beta source, but we are working with Gravity. Now, at its heart, Gravity is very straightforward. It's a physics engine. So we have the playground at the top and the My Comp on the right. Let's do the playground first. So at the top, you have your composition settings. We just want to do a 1080p composition. There's plenty of scenes to choose from. These are just presets. You can just see what they are. You can play them to see what they do, all that jazz. Let's do fill up, hit play, and show you what Gravity does. This has been played out. The engine is running. It's going to run for 6 seconds. Let's go to the bottom, hit create comp. What it does is it creates the comp inside of After Effects. So when we hit play, here it is, the exact same thing. Now, if you click on any particular layer or all these layers, you can see that they're all keyframed, all from here. So what we want to do is make our own. So within Gravity, let's do something new. Let's do 0G Billiards and let it play. And I want to modify this slightly. Let's just grab one of these, go to ball 2. Let's do Slingshot and actually start it from here and just slingshot it out right here. Let's go to the bottom here. Let's make sure the floor is bouncy, the left all bouncy. So the ceilings bounce, the walls are bouncy. And then let's keep it 0G and just hit play. That one's going to shoot off and do that. Bounce everything around. Keep playing. Now this will just continue to go for 8 seconds. Let's actually make it longer. I want to do this for, let's do a 15-second animation. Let it keep playing for a whole 15 seconds. Keep going. Now because the wall is bouncy, it'll just keep going, but let's hit create and comp inside of After Effects. And here it is. Here is the exact thing that we just created. Now it looks a little choppy because our composition is not set to 60 frames per second. So we can just fix that really easily. And now everything looks smooth and good to go. But Gravity at its heart has tons of different settings to play with. Start building your own Gravity and here you go. Let's just do stairs. Let's hit the randomize button here and it changes everything. Let's hit play. These do this. Or let's go to Pinball and hit play. Let's make it more random and let's hit create comp. So these little gray boxes on here are static objects. You can right click and change the make dynamic or physics off. Keep moving, slingshot, all that kind of stuff. But this is actually make little bounce boards. And here it is. It plays inside of After Effects. Now, what we want to do now is actually our own comp. I don't want to use anything here. I want to snapshot something from After Effects. Let's do new composition. 15 seconds is totally fine. Let's type my name. I'm doing individual letters because I want these to bounce around. One word would literally be one word. That's the whole point. It stays together. But if we do individual letters in After Effects, this will make everything bounce really, really well. Head back to Gravity. Let's snapshot our comp. Let's do 0G. Let's make the floor all that bouncy, ceiling bouncy. Let's grab this, do slingshot. Let's slingshot this one this way. And eventually they'll hit the A and they'll bounce. Let's slingshot it this way. And let's add something to this. I think we're good actually. Let's hit play. And it's going to do that. It's going to play for a while. These would just keep moving because it's 0G. So it's pretty much never going to stop. But there is an air drag. You can turn this up and eventually those would just stop. And then hit apply to comp. And there you go. Let's hit play in After Effects. And there you go. That's how you make physics-based animations inside of After Effects. There's tons more to Gravity, tons more you can do to play with, but I wanted to give you a quick demo to check it out. And while you're working with Gravity, just to give you a little tip, there's a button up here called Advanced. All this does is open up the Gravity window. It's a little larger on your screen, so it's much easier to work with. You can play with things, make sure things are cooler, move things around, all that stuff, and have a great time. And there you go. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to check out Gravity, there's a link down in the description and the pinned comment. Have a great day.